My dear brothers and sisters, it will always be a common theme and even a common tone every last week of the liturgical year or maybe the ordinary time that we are always asked to meditate and even imagine apocalyptic truths and realities. Jesus would at least enumerate some instances from our gospel: earthquakes, famines, plagues from place to place, so on and so forth. But our gospel ended with a powerful message of hope that we not only see and even look forward to strange things, but to things that are beautiful as well. As what the Lord said, awesome sights and mighty signs will come from the sky. Madalas at marahil, hindi po natin maiwasan na tumanaw ng may takot o tumanaw sa nakakatakot na mga bagay. But it is also good to remind ourselves that even though we shall face great and maybe heavy realizations and instances at the end of time, may we also look forward to beautiful things as well. Yes, the Lord will come as judge, but definitely He will also bring with Him consolation and joy. Hindi man po natin alam kung kailan ang huling panahon o yung huling oras. Pero maganda na sa bawat bagay din na tinatanaw natin sa buhay natin ngayon, paano tayo tumatanaw sa mga ito? When we look forward, how do we look forward? How do we look forward for the coming 2024? Or maybe for the coming Christmas season? How do you look forward to your prayers, to your desires, to your requests, and to your petitions to God? How do you look forward to things that you hope for? Even though Jesus is just being true to each and every one of us, to what we shall face at the end, He is also teaching us to look forward to what is beautiful and to what is good. Ang tanawin, ang maganda, at ang mabuti. It might be an immediate conclusion that end times will also be bad times. But today, Jesus is reminding all of us that even at end times, beautiful things are waiting for us. But we do not only focus at the end time, but at every instance that we look forward, do not badly or madly look forward. What also lies ahead of you are your hopes. What also lies ahead of your hopes, dreams, prayers are also beautiful things prepared for you. My dear brothers and sisters, at the top of every tears, goodbyes, destructions, and terrors of the end times, and things that we look forward, there is at the top of everything the gift of God waiting for us. Awesome signs, mighty signs, and His beautiful signs of love for us.